Ever wanted to know what to do with movie cups? Let me just let me show you what I'm talking about. Do you ever drink drinks at the movies in these beautiful cups? I do, and I get them all the time. I love the free refills when you get at the end. I don't know, do they do that at your theater? I have all these cups, and they are just filling up in my cabinet. And I have always collected them. I don't think I've ever thrown any away. I'm not hoarding them. I don't have a ton in my house. But I want to show you my eBay because that is where I saw it. So I went into eBay and I said movie cups. And I just started looking and I was like, oh my gosh, like they just come up. They just come up. Now, a lot of these you see are the new movies, which now that I have this idea, now I'm like, well, duh, anytime I'm going to go to a movie, I'm going to buy a drink. I always buy a drink. Just lately, I haven't been buying these cups because I don't know, but now I'm going to because I love drinking out of them because it keeps my drink colder, but they're also a little bigger and you get to sell them when you get home. It's a no-brainer, right? If you like to sell things, it doesn't take a lot of time out of my day to do this. So this is what you see. A lot of this newcomers, the new cups and everything. But this is what I was going to show you of how to do these searches. So you might not know how to do these things. So just so you know, you can go into eBay and search this item, sold items. So in the search bar, you can go down here and click sold items. And then it will show you all the sold items. So it starts with the first sold. So this was sold July 17th, and it was Jurassic Park. And there were bids on it, and it was shipping, $13.65. Oh, that's because there was 3 cups. There were 3 cups for $13. This is Jurassic World. 5 cups. We'll probably have 5 people at the movie theater that day. I don't know. But this is like when they came out with little dinosaurs or something. I don't know. But look at this. They're like really buying what's in there right now. Let's just look at these things. Doctor Strange movies. A lot of these have those little emblems. I've never seen these things that come on top of movies. I've never seen those. I don't even know how they got them, but there must be people that collect them. I'm like, that would be pretty cool if my movie place gave that to me, but I've never seen it. I'm going to ask them when I go on Thursday. Anyway, so Panther, Black Panther, Jaws. I'm just looking. I mean, these are all movies that they've sold, but this new Star Wars movie, that's one that that's not the actual one I sold. The one I sold is right here. This one I sold, and then I shipped it. So I sold it for $6.95. I shipped it. I think it cost me $2.80. So I got paid $7. I bought this drink at the movie theater. I came home and let it sit in my cabinet, and then I put it on eBay for $7, and I spent almost $3. So let's say I profited about $4. So $4, and all I had to do was post it and ship it. That's pretty simple. I know $4 doesn't sound like a lot, but $4 is $4. And when you have this many cups sitting in your cabinet, just sitting there, you want to do it. You have a reason to do it. And so, just wanted to put that tip out there. If you're just sitting around with a lot of cups like I am, and you're wondering what to do with them, this is what you do. But the other tip on this was how to search up, I got that from my daughter. Search up. You can go on here, and when you're going to search, you go down here and click sold items, and this way you can see what's selling right now, how much it's selling for. This is a good way to get your prices in order to get this is how I get what the price is I'm going to sell my item for. So, like this if you liked it, subscribe if you want to know any of my random tips and tricks, and I hope that you got some value, education, a little no-brainer tip for the day. I don't know. That's all.